There's 3 different views in Teamwork.com for your work, and which one you use depends on A, your personal preference, and B, the type of project that you're actually working on. Here's the breakdown. List view. This is a good choice if you prefer to see things like a classic to-do list. If you're working on a detailed set of tasks and subtasks, this is the view for you. Number 2. Board view. You might have heard of Kanban before. Well, this is kind of the same idea. It's great for dragging and dropping tasks into different phases of a project and comes in very handy in supporting agile workflows. And then we've got a third view, the Gantt view. Use this if you like to see timelines laid out stage by stage in a linear way, or if you've got a lot of project dependencies. Gantt also works really well as an overview on progress across complex projects with a lot of moving parts. Using a different view can offer different perspectives on your projects. The best way to figure out which works best for you, give them all a go.
You just smiling in the background there.
I thought Vic had gone.
You better not be in this shot.